like the video and subscribe the channel.
Explaining the topic birds and their wingspan with the help of a presentation. Firstly, I would like Harshvardhan to speak about the physiology of birds.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Harshvardhan, and today I'll be talking about physiology of birds. Bird physiology is unique and closely linked to the anatomic funds of flying. Birds have high metabolism and body temperature. The respiratory system is highly adapted to allow insufficient oxygen into a body during flight. Birds are heated by heat generated through their metabolism. Circulation. The circulatory system of birds must be very insufficient in order to keep up with the demand from the respiratory systems and birds metabolism. The metabolism is the set of chemical reaction and that keep an organism alive and is an important of birds physiology. Birds physiology of the digestive system in birds can be very specialized. Birds maintain their body temperature by producing heat through the metabolism and rather than relying on heat from the environment. Thank you.
Now I would like Prasad to explain the topic evolution of birds.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prasad. Today I will be speaking about evolution of birds. The evolution of birds began in Jurassic period with the earliest birds derived from a clade of theropod dinosaurs named as Paravus. The small theropod dinosaurs are Archaeopteryx lithographica from the late Jurassic period was considered to have been the earliest bird. According to the current consensus, a vase and a sister of a group, the order crocodile together are the sole living members of unranked reptiles, clade with Archosaurus. The classic small, lightweight, feathered, and winged body plan was pieced together gradually over 10 millions. Thank you.
Now Vedant will tell us about what are wings of birds.
Good morning, ma'am. Today I am going to talk about what are wings of birds. The bird's wings is a pair of forelimbs in birds. The wings give the bird ability to fly, creating left terrestrial flightless birds have reduced wings or not at all. There are four general wing shapes that are common in birds: passive soaring, active soaring, and high speed wings. Features that spread out, creating slots that allow the birds to catch vertical columns of hot air called thermal and rise higher in air. Thank you.
Now Rohit will explain wingspan with some examples.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Rohit. Today I will talking about fastest wing beat and wingspan. Fastest wings beat. Hummingbirds fly only by beating their wings. They do not glide. A hummingbird can over the same place by beating it very quickly. Some species beat their wings up to 70 times a second, like hummingbird. Hummingbirds are only birds that can fly backwards. Now will I explain about wingspan. What is wingspan? The maximum extent across the wing of an aircraft, of a bird or other flying animals, measured from tip to tip, are called wingspan. Largest living birds flying with wingspan. Examples: great white pelican, 3.6-inch; South Royal albatross, 3.51-inch; Dalmatian pelican, 3.51-inch; and trumpeter swan, 3.1-inch. Thank you.
Now Kajal will compare peacock and sparrow.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kadir. Today I will be talking about comparison between largest wing birds and smaller wing birds. Largest wing bird is peacock. Peacock wingspan is 140 cm to 160 cm. Peacock grow 90 to 130 cm tall and weight around the 4 to 6 kilograms. Peacock is slightly smaller. According to the National Geographic, the peacock is one of the largest flying birds if you count the length of its train, around 150 cm or 60% of peacock body length. The smallest wing bird is sparrow. Wingspan of sparrow is 19 cm to 25 cm. House sparrow are small bird, 6 inches. They weigh approximately around 3. Male house sparrow have a grey ground with white grey cheeks patches, a black throat grazing under the side of rusting brown, black and white wing patches. Thank you.
Now Mehak will compare the bird American black vulture and a red kite.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mehak, and I will be comparing American black vulture and red kite. American black vulture. The black vulture is distinguished in flight by its short, square tail, which scarcely reaches past the hind legs, and wings with a flash of white at the tip. It makes several rapid flaps in short glide. It has a short tail, so not be seen easily at rest. The short tail spreads out when it takes flight and can be seen. Having small feathers, it requires more energy and will to fly by flapping its wings several times. Red kite. The long wings are adapted to lengthy periods in the air and provide a high degree of maneuverability. The kite frequently twists and fans its long and deeply forked tail, moving it from side to side like a rudder. Since it has a long, pointed, light feathers, it's easy to take a flight for longer period and catch its prey. Thank you.
Now Utejna will compare the bird wandering albatross and hummingbird.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Uttejna, and I'm going to compare bee hummingbird and wandering albatross. The bee hummingbird is slightly longer than 2 inches. It is the smallest living bird of any kind. Some small birds beat their wings 80 times per second. Hummingbirds feed mainly on nectar, a sweet liquid made by flowers. Wandering albatross. It is the largest extant bird. These birds spend most of their livings out of sea, using their large wings to ride the ocean's wind. They can glide for hours without flapping their wings. Their length is up to 135 centimeters and weight is up to 6 to 12 kgs. They live in all oceans except North Atlantic. They get whiter the older they get. Thank you.
I hope our project gave you a better explanation about what are birds' wings and what are its features. Thank you.